I've always wanted to go to the market, collect some items and go back to my apartment and make something Julia Child style. So I found this cute little market. I'm going to take a look through and see what I can create. I'm going to take a look in the bakery first to see what I can find. There is quite a long queue. I'm conscious that I have very limited equipment in my apartment, so buying a brioche or a croissant as a starting point is a great idea. Now I'd like to get some beautiful French cream, and I've been told that this is the best fromager in the whole of France. So let's go and take a look. I think berries will go really nicely with what I'm thinking. These are the last of the season of the French berries. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Oh wow!
Very delicate.
It's beautiful.
You can test something different if you want. But it's one of the most popular.
Thank you. A lavender honey.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh wow! The lavender is very subtle.
This side
Yes,
or this side?
this is perfect. Now, I have very limited resources in this little kitchen in the apartment I'm staying at, but I have found a frying pan. I am a little bit nervous about cutting the brioche. This is the only knife I have, and normally I would use a serrated edge knife, so wish me luck. It is normally better to do this as well if your brioche is a little bit stale. The brioche smells amazing. All right, so it's not too bad actually. I thought it would be harder to cut, and I thought I would actually squash the slices of bread. I shouldn't speak too soon. All right, I'm turning it around so I don't squash it as much. Maybe a little bit of a rustic slice. It's pretty good actually. One more. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of butter and put it into the pan. So I'm gonna turn this on. A little bit of sugar. I'm making this up as I go along, but what I'm trying to do is like a sugar honey-coated brioche. I've got this beautiful honey from the market, which I had a taste of. French honey, it's absolutely divine. So I'm gonna add some of that in. You can see already that's browning quite quickly. Now I'm going to put the brioche down. Give it a little bit of time on both sides. I'm going for a beautiful caramelized crunchy finish on the surface. Oh, it's coming along nicely actually. Give you a little sneak peek. Okay, flipping it over. Oh, that looks good. Flipping it over, I'm going to give the first side a little bit more. I've always admired Julia Childs and her tenacity, and what I loved about her and what made me really want to go to France for the first time was her going to markets, collecting items, and then going back to her apartment. I think the main difference is she lived in Paris, where I'm actually just staying in a little apartment for 2 nights. But I wanted to do something very, very similar, which is why I've done this. I have this beautiful cream, which is from Normandy. It's in the north of France and very well known for their produce, dairy products, but also apples. I'm gonna place this on top. We're in France, so I think we can be quite generous with the cream. These delicious strawberries, which are from France as well. I believe it's the last of the season as they're coming into autumn. I can smell the strawberries. as I'm cutting them. They smell absolutely beautiful. Fresh blueberries on top. Normally I would put a dusting of icing sugar. Obviously I don't have any icing sugar, so we're going to go with what we have. So here's my version of a French toast. This has been on my bucket list for a very long time, to be able to go to the markets, make something, and then sit back and enjoy it.